Hi, welcome to Gamuda's first e-learning module. You're here to learn about models and how to use them for doing design reviews and some construction coordination. We're going to teach you how to fly through the models, we're going to teach you how to walk through the models, and we're going to teach you how to use models to find and understand design issues and potential construction problems. We've got a couple of games for you to play during this fun course. The first game you're going to play is to go hunting for sports cars. We're going to see if you can find a Porsche hidden in a car park structure. We've then got another puzzle for you to solve, which we're calling the Tetris challenge, where you have to take architectural, structural and MEP models and put them all together to create a federated model. For those of you who like to take happy snaps, we're going to teach you how to build albums, and you can put together a collection of views which you can share with your families and friends. Now, are you handy with a knife? Well, we're going to teach you how to cut sections through the models. We're going to teach you how to slice up and dice the models so you can get down to the details and see what's happening inside the depths of a building or any other project you're working on. Now, you are going to need a virtual measuring tape, and that virtual measuring tape, we're going to teach you how to calculate distances, areas and perimeters. You're also going to need to bring some red pens because we're going to teach you how to mark up the models. We're going to show you how to do red line markups, add comments and explain an issue so other people can actually start fixing it. Towards the end of the course, you'll get to play a game of hide and seek. We're going to teach you how to find things hidden inside the models using some pretty clever tricks that are available in the software. And last but not least, you're going to wrap up this course with a little Sherlock Holmes challenge. We're going to set you a goal to go and find some data hidden inside the model, and you'll get to understand that it's not just about 3D shapes. There's actually quite a lot of information hidden in these models. So we hope you enjoy this first e-learning program, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. So let's get started.